How to see all games you have played on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Then, on your main page, you will find Continue. Below Continue is all your games you have played earlier. You can also simply click on Continue with the arrow and you will find list of games in this way. I have only 2 games played, so there's only 2 games. But if you have other games played earlier, you will find the list of games in here. And from here, you can simply click on the game and also play from here. This is how to see all games you have played on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.